There we go.
Hola.
Hi.
Hola, Chiquita Bananas.
Someone's trying to draw.
I'm drawing on Twitter. Well, it's tweet.
Fail.
It's twit draw, but whatever.
Twidraw.
Ciara. If you ever say my name, Ciara, I will kill you.
Why?
Because it's not Ciara, it's Sierra. Oh, that's bad drawing. Draw! Okay.
It is bad drawing.
A.
Oh my god.
R.
Earthquake! I like doing earthquakes. Makes you look funny. Scream. Scream.
You
sound so enthusiastic.
Hey, alright. The world's gonna end. Do you want to see a tornado? Ready? Tornado!
This is a tornado. Okay, I'm dizzy. Oh.
Hi.
I can't see straight. Okay.
You never can.
Yes, I can.
Sure
Oh, look at my pretty glasses.
Ooh, that's pretty background.
What is pretty
background? Something? No. Yeah, no. Ah. Why are you using my glasses?
Why not? They're cool.
Glasses stealer.
Yeah, so? Those are her
Just like-
nerdy glasses. She wears those to school every day.